Hello, and welcome to the video tutorial on how to use the SonyTech mobile application control panel. You need to log into your control panel with the username and password provided by SonyTech. You'll always have the option to change the password at your discretion for security purposes. Once you log in, you can go into the Change Admin Password, key in the new password, just confirm the password again, and click Submit. Since this is one of the live customers that we are using as a video tutorial, you may find some of the modules and tools available in the left panel here a little different from what you have under your control panel. This basically depends on the package and the functionality of your application that you have. The user details section here displays all the users who have entered and updated their profile from your mobile application with their name, email address, phone numbers, birth date, and anniversary that accumulate under this section here. This is a great tool which not only tells you the number of downloads and active users of your mobile application, but also it gives you all data information about the users as well as their email addresses that can be used for email marketing and other marketing purposes. Moving on, going into manage categories and products. This is the crux of your mobile application, which lets you manage all the products, services, categories, subcategories, and the description of the products from this section. You can add new if you want to add a new category, the main category. You can enter all the details for this main category from add new page, which gives you the category name. For example, you want to add let's say a test menu. You can click active. You can give an image from the browse. You can browse an image locally from your computer, add an image, click submit. For example, click save. You see this main category appears here, and you can change the sequence of how you want, where you want these menus to appear in the listing. Now let us test updating one of the existing products. So for example, we go into drinks, we go into manage products. So it'll list all the products that are listed under the drinks category. For example, if let's say we want to change the pricing for coffee and tea from $1.50, you click on edit. It'll open up the page with all the details of this particular product item. So all you need to do is just change the pricing 1.50 to 2.50 and click submit. Now, so we go back and go into the products once again. If you want to edit one of the already existing menus or the main categories, all you need to just click edit. Otherwise, if you need to delete any of these categories altogether, for example, the one which we just added as a test, you can just click on delete. Just ask you for a confirmation. It'll be deleted from the list. Also, for example, you want to temporarily make one of these categories unavailable from the mobile application. You can just click on the status, which is a toggle button, and you'll see a red icon which indicates it is no longer active on the mobile application for your users, but it's still there in the control panel for you to activate it again at a later stage. So we go on to the update information section, which allows you to update the about your business section. So you can add the text, the verbiage here. You can also in fact change the background image that appears at the dashboard when you first open your application. So this is the image that appears for this particular application. Now make sure there's the size of the background image that is the recommended size that has been mentioned under the control panel. So you should always use this size that is mentioned in your control panel. All you need to do is just browse from your local computer, select the image, click open, and just click on submit. It'll be updated on at the front end of your mobile application. You can also see there are two language components, Chinese and French. So these are the two multilingual options that are available for this application. We will get onto set default language and tell you more about how these multiple languages can be managed. Going further into the gallery section, which allows you to update the images, pictures, and create a photo gallery under your application. You can also add the text as a caption or a description to the image. And you can click active and submit. You can also in fact change the sequence of how these pictures should appear under the gallery part. You also see there's the status, so which means you can active or deactive temporarily the picture from the front end of your application. If you want to just completely remove the picture from the gallery, all you need to do is just click delete, click on OK, and it'll be gone from the front end. Similarly, if you want to add a new image, you need to do is just click on add new. You browse the image from your local computer. You put in a description here. You put in the title, the name of the image for your app users, and click submit, and it'll be updated at the front end. You can then go into managing the locations, the contact us part of your application. You can add any number of locations. You may have 5 or 10 different outlets, so you can add all the different locations separately. For example, we already have one for Richmond Hill as an example. You can click on add new, and it'll prompt you to put a location name. Let's say a new location is what we put in for now. And you can put in the latitude and longitude coordinates here. So if you know it, you can just enter the latitude and let's say the longitude. You can put in any information that you want under the section here. Moving down, you can put in the address, line 1, the street name, street number, province, city, country, whatever you need to update under the location details. You can put in the phone number, fax, email, website, which will automatically be hyperlinked when you view it from the front end of the mobile application. So for example, a user taps on the phone number from the front end, they would automatically initiate a phone call from their mobile devices. Similarly, the website, clicking on the website, tapping on the website from the front end would take them, redirect them to your website, which opens in the mobile device browser. So moving ahead, you can update the business hours for your business. You can put it individually as in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or you can just put a common working hours from this section here. You can also add your social media profile links from the section. You can add the Facebook, Twitter, YouTube links. Click on active, save, and this new location will be created at the front end of your application. Moving ahead, you can manage the testimonials and reviews provided by your customers from this section. So you click on add to add a new testimonial into the application. You can put in the name of or a subject line for the new testimonial, and you can add in you can just put the date if you want to let your customers know when this review was given to you. You click on active, save, and again it'll be instantly available for your app users at the front end. The manage notifications allows you to send unlimited notification alert messages directly to your app users using this module. You can see the two notifications for anniversary, type, and birthday are the ones which are hard-coded into the application, which means you can edit the message, the notification message from this section, and you can trigger the time for these messages, these type of messages to be sent, and this will automatically be sent to the users on their anniversary date. Now remember, we went into the user details, and there's a anniversary date that has been filled by your individual users. So this notification that you see, in fact, these two that you see, anniversary type and the birthday type, these two are triggered automatically with your customized message that you want to send across on the user's birthday and anniversary as they have updated under the profile section of the application. In addition to that, you can also add customized notification messages. For example, Thanksgiving Day, let's say it's approaching, and you can add this little message for your customers, and you can set a time, date from which these notifications will be triggered. So you can set a time and click on Submit. You can set a date, start date and the end date, and this will automatically be sent to your users on regularly. Moving ahead to set default language, this screen lists all the multiple languages that are available in your mobile application. You can also see a green little button beside English, which means this application, the default language has been set to English, which means whenever your mobile application is downloaded and opened for the very first time, your app user will see all the content, menu details, contact details, and all the data that is available in the application in English language. However, your app users would always have the option of switching the languages from the front end of the application. So this covers all the modules that may be available in your mobile application. If you need any further assistance or help using or changing or managing your mobile application, you can always contact us or visit our website www.sonytechapps.com. Thank you for watching.
www.advertise.go